Right, so that's just acetylene burning there. Right. Now we start to make it burn hot.
Super hot.
Okay.
That's
super hot. Okay. That blue tip right there is about 6,300 degrees. Okay. So it's going to take just a couple seconds for this piece of steel. What we're going to do is we're going to heat this up until it's nice and red. Okay. Think it's hot enough yet?
No. Which part of that fire is the hottest? I think I know.
What'd you say?
Which part of that fire is the hottest? I think I know. Anybody else got an idea? What do you think, Linda?
Blue. Yeah.
Blue. You said
Oh,
blue. Is that right?
red.
I think it looks like it's one of those LED lights. Looks like they are. Those are LED lights.
I see red.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Is that hot yet?
Holy frioles. This puts nothing on melted pennies in the backyard, by the way. How come it's all speckled on this side? Do we know?
Look at this what?
It seems to be all speckled on this side.
That's what's called scale. That's a layer of carbon.
Oh, because it's steel. The carbon's starting to
It's
come out.
contamination on the surface of the steel.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready? You got to turn there on.
Okay, now grab onto it. Right?
Grab onto it
Nice and tight.
and just pull around.
You say, go, Sarah, go.
You're good.
Wrong way. Okay, just turn it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Cool.
Oh,
wow.
oh, oh.
Go over
That's really exciting.
There you go.
I can't really see.
That's all right.
That's about as far as you're going to want to go with that much heat.
Okay.
Here, I'll hold this.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Now you're a little crooked, right?
Yeah, I'm a little crooked.
Straighten it out.
That doesn't surprise me. I'm a little crooked.
How'd you do
Grab
that?
that.
Awesome power.
Superpowers.
Grab that.
With my yogurt
Kind of
power.
straighten it out.
I tried to
That's
yogurt.
right.
Is that good? All right. So I can loosen it up.
Right?
That's cool. And this is all carbon, you said? That's probably
Yep,
layers?
that's just a layer of carbon.
Cool.
Right.
That's another one on the periodic table of elements, too. Excellent.
So
I'm so excited.
now we've got a really hot piece of steel, right?
And it's cooling off, right? That's why it's got a little bit less color.
Yeah, so as it loses its color,